In this tutorial, you are going to see how to add your name or your image in Google search, or how to brand yourself or verify yourself in Google. Suppose if I search Cristiano Ronaldo, then you can see his name, his image and his information are added in the search page and it is verified. In the same way, if I search my name A.R. Tarek, you can see my image, my name, my information and verify icon, which means I am verified in Google. So I have an identity in Google search. So how can you do so? To do so, you have to search business with Google and you have to enter in the first page. Then you have to sign in with Google. So I will put my email, put my password, okay, I am signed in. And this is the moment you have to put your name. Suppose I will add Brad Smith. Okay, continue. Then you have to choose your business type, like online retail. This is for e-commerce business, local store, service business. Suppose we are service business, we provide freelancing service. Next, and this is business category. Suppose service or freelancing. Okay, I will add service. Self-service, typing service, digital service, service town service, full service, force service, fax service, reason service, social service, resume service, apartment service, accommodation, DJ service, typing service, self-service, health station, news service. Okay, news. Sorry, no, this is not new. I will adjust service. Okay, I have to choose an category. Okay, suppose I choose gift service. Then where do you serve your customers? You have to add your location. Suppose I serve my customer in Sylhet. Okay, remember one thing. When you choose your location and the location you want to add in your profile, business profile, you have to exist in the same location when you are creating this profile. This is a serious issue of this platform. Remember, whenever you are, suppose you have an agency, so you want to add the address of your agency. So to do so, you have to stay or exist in your agency location. Otherwise, you can't add your agency address. Okay, next. Then you have to add your number. Okay, I'm going to put my number. Okay, website, this is optional. If you want, you can add. Okay, for now I will skip. You can add your website here. In case of website, you can add your Facebook URL or Instagram URL. You can do same. Okay, put your business on the map. Continue. Please enter your mailing address to verify. The address you provide here will be hidden from the public. Most of the works are not hidden. Okay, next you can student address. Okay, suppose I added a custom address. Next, choose a way to verify. In order to fully manage and represent this business on Google, you will need to confirm that it's yours. Select how you'd like to get a verification code. So now they are asking me how I want to verify. I can do it with text or call. In this case, I am lucky that they are giving me two options of call and text. But a majority of you, when you will try to verify, they may ask you to wait for 14 days. They will add a custom code in your postal address, and then you have to wait for 14 days and then verify with that code. But I'm so lucky, or maybe few of you will become lucky that you can have this option. Okay, I will choose the text option.
Hello. Thank you for using Google Phone Verification. Remember, you should not share this code with anyone else, and no one from Google will ever ask for this code. Your code is 4809773. Again, your code is 4809773. Goodbye.
And my code is accepted. Next. Okay, now we have to add our business hours, which means how many days we serve. Suppose you are an agency, you may select Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Maybe Friday and Saturday is off. Or if you are a freelancer, you may serve every single days of the week. And you also can add time, suppose 24 hours. Monday you provide from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. something like that. Okay, this is how you can choose your time and days. Next. Okay, I have to choose. Okay, then add messaging. Let customer message your business on Google for free. Okay, they are asking me to have a message button so that people can ask me. Yes, sure, I will do so. Okay, they are asking me for my business description. Suppose, hi, this is Brad from BD, a professional website developer, something like that. Okay, I will next, but you will add your full description. Here you can add your image or your logo. Okay, suppose for now I will use this image, but you will add your photo or your logo. Next, start advertising your business with Google Ads. Okay, I will not use this option. Skip. Okay, your edits will be visible once you are verified. Continue. Okay. My business is not visible to customers at this moment, but I will show my account information for now. Okay, they are telling us that Google is processing your verification. It usually takes a few minutes. Okay, Google will take a few minutes, and then my image or name will appear in Google. And maybe in my case it will not appear because I use a little bit fake information. But if you use your proper information, within 4 to 5 minutes it will appear in Google. Okay, so this was all about how can you show your profile, your name in business, or how you can verify or brand yourself. Okay, let me show you a few more things. If we click on edit profile, you can go to business information. Okay, not here. If you go again to your Google business profile and sign in with your email, okay, here you can get few information. Now you can upload posts from here. Okay, right now you can't post because you are not verified. Sorry, you can post. Here is the option. Here you can add your description and you can publish. Then here, before you publish, you can add photos, and here you can add your description. You can add a button like sign up button, order online button. Suppose you can add your Fiverr gig and add this order online button. So then you can go to photos, you can add your logos, covers, then there are a lot of information you can add. Here from you can create your ads. So this is how things work. I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, till then, stay blessed. Tata, goodbye.